guys to this part of the video again. So in our last video we started designing our what is it called, our let me close this ads. We started designing our construction company website, which is this. So we successfully change the layout, do some editing, and some of the informations that appear on the home page of the website, which is this. So I have this to be the front end of the website, and I have this to be the back end of the website. So I told you in this video we are going to be working on this slider. Yes, this slider. You see, if I click next, the pictures changes. So now where do we find this slider? First of all, you go to your dashboard. Then there are two ways of finding this slider. If you go to your dashboard, if you go to the down part of the dashboard, you will see a menu here called Slider Revolution. Yes, you can go from here, but it is a long way also. But you can go through pages. So go through pages. So I told you, after editing the slider, we are going to be editing the pages, that is page by page. So now you see, this is about us, contact us page. This about us page is this page that is here. Yes, so contact us page, this is it. So you see there are many pages: engineers, home construction. Yes, so now how do you know the page that represent this? If you just visit a website, you see the first page that you see for the first time visiting a website, you see the home page. So normally they call this home, which is front page, or you see home page. So that is how you locate your home page. It can be either home page or front page. So this is it. We have news, privacy policy, project, sample page, and services. So now let's go to home page. If you go to home page, let's click on it first. I want to tell you something, but let's click on it and see. Yes, so now this is home page, right? So now you can decide to edit this home page from here. Yes, and using this WordPress editor, which is this back to WordPress editor. But now you can edit with Elementor. So what is Elementor? That is the question I want to answer now. So Elementor is a plugin. You remember I told you guys that plugins are the main drivers of each and every website that is built with WordPress, right? So now Elementor is a plugin that enables you to edit each page on a website, that is a website entirely. We have so many other plugins that you use in editing a website. So Elementor is one of the good plugin, and it's easy to use, and it's user friendly for beginners like you. Yes, so plugin, I love using Elementor plugin definitely. So we have other plugins. We have the WP Bakery plugin. We have Gutenberg plugin. So there are many plugins out there, but you tend to use the one that you know how to use it best. So now I'm going to be showing you how this Elementor plugin is, and you will get to see why this Elementor plugin is for you guys like beginners. And I also use Elementor plugin also. So now let me click on Elementor plugin, edit with Elementor plugin. So let's wait for it to load. It is loading because this Elementor plugin is one of the best page editor plugin that enables you to edit a page in a real time. Yes, you are editing the page at one side and you are seeing the changes at the other side of the screen. Don't worry, when it finishes loading, you will get to see what I'm talking about, and you will see why I say this Elementor plugin is the best for you guys. Don't worry, normally it takes time for Elementor plugin to load. This is how it is. So normally say can't edit, enable safe mode. So sometimes we do have this problem with Elementor plugin. Sometimes it might be the network, sometimes it's from the plugin. So you see, page unresponsive. You see what it's talking about? Let me just let me refresh the page. Okay, I see it is done. Yes. So unleash the full power of Elementor features and web creation to upgrade now. Yes, so now, so you see, this is it. You see, you can, this is what the editor panel, and this is the what the page of the website. Yes. So now all of these can be edited. So let me click this. So this is just the what, the Elementor. We have the pro version of this Elementor plugin, but the pro version, you will use, you will buy you will buy it with with money, because it have access to so many other features. But I think with this, just this feature, this Elementor, we can edit the page entirely without using the pro version of the Elementor. So now this is slider revolution. So what will happen is I will edit the other part of the pages, and then the slider revolution will be the last part of this page. So now let's click on this. So all you have to do when you are using this Elementor plugin is whatever thing you want to edit on a page, you just have to just click on it. So now let me click on this. You see, I've clicked on it. So you see now you have counter, right? So that means this box that you are seeing is called counter. Yes, and this is a this is a row, right? Let me click on this and see. Okay, edit this section. So you see, edit section. Actually this is a section, right? So now this is a counter. So this is a section entirely, and these counters are are placed in this section. So all you have to do when you are just building, if you are a page builder and you want to build a page with Elementor, all you have to do is drag from here and drop, drag from here and drop. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Okay, let me go here. Let me click on here. Okay, so now these are all things that that we use in building a page. We say this is a section, right? So let me try searching for counter. Let's see. So you see, this is a counter, right? All I have to do is just click on this counter, drag and drop. You see, drag and drop. So that is it. This is why this Elementor is one of the best page editor plugin that most website builders or website designers use. So now let me click on this and let's edit this. So 35 years of experience, starting number 0, that means it will start counting from 0 up to 35, ending number 35. So let me put 15 years, or let me say 16 years of experience. So you see, it is counting 16 years of experience. Number prefix, that means the first number that will appear, which is 2, right? So number suffix, plus. So animation duration 2000, 1000 separator. Okay, if it is okay, show. So that means if it is 1000, it will separate them by, okay, don't worry, when we get there I will show you separator default. Is it a dot or a space or an underline or an apostrophe? Yes. So this is what they mean. So since this is just up to 1000, we'll leave it like this. So 16 years of experience, that is it. So avars wrapper link. So I think there's nothing here. We don't need to put anything here. So we are done with this, right? So let's go here. Okay, so satisfied clients, right? Starting number also 0, ending number, okay, ending number. How many satisfied clients do you think a typical construction company should have for a 16 years of experience? Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. 1000. Okay. Okay, 1593. Let me use this number. Okay, starting number 1, yes, suffix, yes. So 1000 separator. You see, this is where this 1000 separator, yes, you see default, a comma. That means it will separate 1000. You see what I mean here? So what kind of separator do you want to use? Is it a dot? You see, this is a dot. Okay, space, a space, it will leave a space, underline. Yes, you see. So I think who will go with what? We will go to, well, the default, because that is the main, that is what everybody uses. So title, satisfied clients. Okay, sure. I don't think I want to change this satisfied clients to something else. Don't worry, let's leave it like that. So this is a finished project. So now come to a finished project. Let's say, so out of the 16 years of experience, we have 1,593 satisfied clients. So finished project, it can be, let's say, since we have the number of projects will be what, more than the number of clients in a typical sense, right? So let's say 1,854 finished projects. Yes, standard. Okay, number prefix 1, so you can choose any number. Okay, let me tell you, let's show. So you see, it starts counting from 10. That is it. Number prefix 10, right? So if you should leave it at 1, is what, 1,000. So suffix plus, no, duration, animation duration. Okay, that means 2,000. Okay, this is not in seconds, this is in milliseconds. Yes, that is in 2 seconds. It will count all the numbers. So that is it. So 1,000 separator, yes, you should have it. Yes, so separator default finished projects. Okay, let me change this to accomplished projects. Okay, accomplished projects. Okay, this is capital letter. Yes, so I think we are done with this style. We have nothing to do here. Okay, this is where you can change the color of the numbers, typography, that is the text stroke, shadow, title. Okay, that is the title. This this number, this has to do with what, the style of the numbers. This has to do with the style of the what, text. That means the text color, the text font, and everything. So advanced. So I think nothing to touch here. Just leave it the way they are. So employees worldwide. Number of employees worldwide. So number of employees worldwide. What number should we have? Let's see. Okay, 4,000. No, it's much. Let's leave it at 2,683. 2,683. Number prefix. Yes, 1,000 separator. Okay, employees worldwide. Okay, so that means this is a multinational corporation, construction company. So I think we are done with this. So our services. So our services, you see, this is also a what? This is also a section, right? Okay, this is a section. So if I should click on it, this is it, right? So icon, I think we should have an icon. They don't have an icon here, so I want to put an icon. Let me upload an icon. Icon library, yes. So service, you search for service. Okay, I don't want to put this work. No. I'm coming. Let me look for an icon that I can put there. Okay, so we are looking for an icon. There is an icon I'm looking for, but I didn't see it here. Okay, it's on another page editor plugin. It's not in this plugin, sorry. But actually there is an icon for these services. Actually there is supposed to be an icon, right? So subheading. Okay, main heading first part, our, which is this. The main heading last part, which is the service. Okay, it should be plural, our services. So watermark. Okay, no watermark, we should leave it like that. Okay, so this text that you are seeing, lorem ipsum dollar, this is just a dummy text. Yes, we call it dummy text. So you can change it. You can do whatever write-up you want to put here. Okay, but for me, let me tell you a secret also. This is also a secret I'm telling you guys. We have an application called ChatGPT. It is an AI application that almost provide you with anything you want. Yes, just ask it something and it will give you, right? Okay, let me go. I'm going to ChatGPT now, which is chat.openai.com. so let me ask ChatGPT to what? To provide me with a text I can put under that services. Okay, let me say, please provide me with a text that I can put on my website page of a construction company under a heading services. Okay, our services. Enter, and let's see what ChatGPT will provide us with. Okay, certainly, yes. So you see, this is what I'm talking about. So you see, this is it. It has provided us with with a text that we can put the ads. That's your company name. You take pride in delivering comprehensive construction solution tailored to meet your unique needs with a commitment to excellence and a focus on customer satisfaction. Our skill team and this and this. So these are the list of services there are. So, but we already have our own list of services, right? Which is roofing and waterproofing, house repair, and everything. So now, this first text that is here is what will be replacing this text that is here, this dummy text. So I'll just paste and edit it. So adval concept, this will be adval concept. Yes, so this is it. I think we are done with this. So please let me update it. So whatever my changes we make, you can decide to update it here, because if you don't update it here, it won't save, right? So let me update. So you see, it is updating. You are changing and saving it in real time. That is why this okay, sorry, I saw a mistake also. This S that here is supposed to be capital letter. Okay, yes, services, capital letter S. So you see, saving in real time. So now here we are done with here. So actually edit Eva service grid. So they call this service grid with Elementor, right? So service taxonomy, service category, post type, service, right? Image size. So this all just has to do with what, how the things appear. Alignment, number of columns 3, that means 1 2 3. Number of posts, latest posts. Order published, number of posts 6, that means we have 6 items appearing here. So I think we can't edit Eva's wrapper link. Okay, this is something else. This is a link to the website. Since they didn't put anything there, we can't replace it. So this just has to do with what, how this service grid will just appear here. So but where do we where can we change this service? That means where can we change the type of services that this company provides? We can't change it here. What I'm going to show you where we can change the services. So if I should click on it, okay, let me go to the front end and let me click on this service so that let me show you something. Okay, metal roofing. Okay, I'm clicking on it now. So where can I change? Maybe I don't want this metal roofing, I want to put just roofing. Maybe you see there is no way the Elementor didn't provide me means for me to edit this metal roofing here. So but I'm going to show you where this can be edited. It's not here actually. So that is the best part of this training. Okay, so it is loading. Okay, but it has finished. Yes, so you see, if I open it also, where can I change this picture? This this text also, where can I change it? You see, I can't change it from here, and definitely I can't also change it from here. It is somewhere else. So I'm going to show you where we can change it. So the only thing I'm going to be adding to this this service grid is just animation. So okay, we go here, advanced. Okay, motion effects. Yes, what is animation? So animation for desktop. You see, also this is one of this is also one of the plugin that provides you with the features that you can edit each page to be mobile responsive and desktop responsive. Yes, so for example now, okay, let me click on this and let me give it an animation. Okay, no, not this. Okay, so fade in right. Yes, so yes, this is what I'm talking about. So when someone reach the page, you see it sliding like this, right? So animation duration normal. Okay, so this is it. This is the only thing. So this only applies for desktop. So if I don't want it to apply for mobile, I'll just come here. This is for mobile portrait. Click on it. So you see, this is how it will appear in on a mobile phone, right? So it also has it. So if I don't want it to be mobile, I can just off it here. I can just come here and click on none. That is it, right? So let me go back to desktop. You see, desktop have it, but mobile doesn't have it, right? So this is it. But let me also give it for mobile. So maybe I can give another animation for mobile, since mobile is something that you scroll. Okay, let me give it fade in up. Yes, so this is it, right? So I think this is all. You see, I have a different animation for mobile, which is fading up, and I have a different animation for desktop, which is fade in right. So this is for this is for tablet. I can give a tablet also, but tablet and desktop have the same animation, but if you like, you can change it also. So now let's go. You can, okay, let me click here for desktop. So this is it, right? So I think this is only thing I'll be adding to this service grid. So more services. This is a link actually, right? So this is a link. So default style, default, right? Text, services, more services, right? So I think this is the text that appear here, which is more services. Okay, if you like, you can change the text or anything, but this you can give it anything, just depending on what your clients wants you to put there. If he wants more services or any content in this, any write-up, the way he wants it, you give it to him like that. But for this is more services, the text that appears here, right? So this is the link. So if I should click on it, it will take me to the link. But as you can see, this link is carrying the original themes link, right? So now let me click on this and type evas.live. I'll type Vel concepts. so that when someone clicks on it, it will take him to what? To the page, not Ava's original team construction page. So now to take him to what? To the Well Concepts construction page, right? This is it. So construction / service, right? So this is it. So normal size icon, okay, this is it. Okay, it doesn't have an icon, we leave it like that. So I think this is all. So you can also add animation or anything you want. This is the style. So you go to motion effect. Let me also give it an animation. So the first time you are giving something or any item an animation, it applies for what? Both desktop, tablet and portrait. But if you want a different, or if you want a different animation for each of these devices, you change it, you toggle it, right? So let me say fade in left, right? To come from the left. So you see, the first time I'm applying animation to this item, it gives both tablet and mobile phone. But if you don't want any animation for other devices, or you want to change it for some specific devices, there is when you click on it. But the first time I'm giving it, all of these devices will have will see this animation when someone is using this device, right? So this is it. So don't forget to be updating, please. Now update again. Yes, now we are here. So now let me click on this. So you see, this is a what? Let me click here. This is a container, I think. Okay, this is a section, right? So this is a section containing different things. This is what? This is Ava's heading, right? And this is a picture, yes, image, right? If I like, I can edit this image, right? So how do I edit this image? Choose image. So about us. Okay, so now this is it, right? Icon, no icon, right? So we leave it like that. Eva subheading, nothing there. Okay, about us, this is it. Do I need to change anything there? Watermark, nothing. So this is the text. How do we change the text also? Okay, let me give it, no, just leave it the way it is. I wanted to change it, change the alignment. Help docs. What is this help docs? Okay, view example. Ava's wrapper link settings. So now about us. So just for this about us, you know, if you're constructing a company website for anybody, the client will give you the text that you are going to insert on the page, on the about us, right? And everything. So we are doing this just for the sake of this training, right? So let me also head on to ChatGPT and say, help me with a text on about us, and enter, right? So ChatGPT will provide us with the text we can put for this, since we don't want that dummy variable that is there, right? Okay, so you see, ChatGPT went to the extent of giving us our mission, our vision, our theme. So this is it, right? So I think since we have this, our story about us, so I think this about us, this should go here, right? This should go here. This should go here. Yes, this should go here. This should go here. Control A and Control V. Yes, right? As you can see, this is it. So now every established year of establishment. How many years did we say? 16 years, right? So this should be okay. This should be established 2000 and let's say 2000, and so you calculate it. Since you put 16 years of experience at the beginning of this page, so you calculate how many years will it be now. right? So let me just put a rough year, which is, let's say, 2006. So has proudly served, okay, your location or region, right? Your location or region, sorry, yes, so location or region. So let me put Nigeria, yes, Nigeria, right? Any other place again? Yes, I think here. Yes, so welcome to, this should be the name, well, concepts. Yes, so this is it, right? So this picture, if I want to change this picture, yes, I can change it, right? So where do we get pictures for what? For these kind of things. I want to change this picture. I don't want to put any other picture. We have a place called freepik.com. Freepik.com is a website that provides you with pictures, tons and tons, thousands and millions of pictures that you can use, and nobody will question you. Because let me tell you something, if you take picture from anywhere, either Google, Facebook, or anything, somebody can sanction you for using his picture. Yes. So now let's go to freepik.com. Yes, so freepik.com. So this is it. Most of the pictures I use for either any web design or anything, either even graphic design, I come here and look for pictures, right? So all you have to start here is let me see, construction workers. Yes, let me put construction workers. Okay, let me just put black, since it is a African company. So let me put black construction workers. So it will give me pictures of what? Black Africans, yes, workers. Okay, as you can see, I have it. Okay. Let me see if I can use any picture here. No. Okay, let me just put group, black construction group of, okay, let me just put group. I want a page, I want so many people. Okay, yes, group of black construction workers. Okay, let me see. You see, I would have want to use this, but this is a premium picture. If you see any picture in Freepik carrying this crown, that means you must have to pay for this picture, right? So but we are looking for a free picture. You see, I will have want to use this again also, but you see, it's carrying a what? It's carrying a crown, so this is a premium picture. I must have to pay for it. Okay, let's see if you can get any picture. Okay, let me see, let me use this. So you click on it. Okay, so you click on it. So this is an African with other two white men. Yeah, so all I have to do is just click on download. So you download, this is the place where you can download the size. So let me click on this, let me click on medium size. I don't want too large, since the picture there is not too big, right? Yes, the picture here is not too big, it's just of medium size, so that's why I'm choosing medium. So it's downloaded. So as you can see, it has downloaded. So let me go now and change this picture here. So now choose picture. Okay, the size of this picture that I clicked on is what? I told you, make sure of the size of the picture you are changing and change it with the exact same size. 565 by what? 382. So let me head on to my Micromedia Fireworks. Okay, so Micromedia Fireworks is loading. So now, so before it finished loading, let me see if you can. Okay, yeah, so it has come up. I wanted to change something using the meantime. So don't worry, as I've told you, all these softwares and anything that we are using, I will be giving them to you free. I will be sharing it with you guys so that you can also use it. So now, what is the size of the picture again? So choose image. It's 565 by 382. 565 by 382. So 565 382, right? So this is the size of the picture. Okay, transparent, yes, just leave it as transparent, this canvas. Okay, so now this is the size of that picture. So Control R to import the picture. So the folder is downloads. Yes, so downloads, desktop, no, library. So I'm going to downloads. Okay, let me go to this PC. Sorry, the system is a little bit slow. Why is this? Is because the system, I've been working on this system for the past 48 hours without offering it, so that's why it's a little bit slow. So downloads. Okay, this is the picture here. So now let me click on open. As I've told you, you click and drag. Yes, click and drag. This is it. So you make sure it covers the canvas. Okay, yes, 565 by 382. Okay, it's not exact, so as you can hear, you make sure that the size is exact as from here. So 565. All right, so you see the width, the height is 382, is the same thing. So Control Shift R. So let me name this About Us and enter. Right, so you go back to your back end, go to upload files, select file. Okay, so pictures, you go to pictures. Yes, so About Us, this is it, and open. Okay, wait for it to load. It's loading. Yes, so alternate text, I have told you should always provide alternate text for these, any picture that you are uploading, right? So let me see about Well Concepts Construction. Company. Yes, so now you select. See, it has changed, right? I prefer this picture here. So now you update the page, the changes that you've made. So let me also give this an animation. Animation is one of the things I love best whenever I'm designing any page, right? Let me also give it an animation. Skip layout, okay, sorry, motion effects. So let's give it an animation. Let's give it fade in right. Yes, fade in right. Or let me give it, no, let me just give it bounce in right, zoom in right. Yes, zoom in right. Yes, I love this. So now, okay, here is there anything we want to change here? Looking for quality construction company, we build professional. Get a code in 25% off. Get the code. Okay, this is a link. Since this is a link, we must have to change this link. Okay, layout. We have different layout for this. Let me try the flex. Okay, basic. Okay, I think let me flex with icon. Let me leave it like this. So now I'm looking for, yes, this is it, 25% off, get the code. Okay, yes, button link. So now you must have to what, if there's a link, you make sure you check the link and make necessary addition, right? So it will be Vel Concepts. This is it. So you update it. I don't think we are going to give this any animation, but if you want, you can give it an animation. So our project. So now, is there anything? That means the portfolio, right? This is a dummy text. So now let's head into ChatGPT again, or let me just leave it like this. You'll be doing this in your assignment. You know, this project, the client will give you the content that you are going to be writing here. Or let me just write a text. Let me just say, take a look into some of our best projects. Yes, take a look into some of our best projects. So this is it. I will leave it like this. So these are the pictures of the projects. So remember, the client will give you the pictures of their project. This is all right. That means we have different types of project, commercial, interior, and everything, right? Okay, so I think this has a link. Okay, but the link is not here. I don't think the link is here. So I'll also show you where you can change these pictures also, right? I can also show you where you can change this picture. Okay, so the links are intact. So here so we have a link here. Yes, so let me check on the link. So you see evas.live. So you make sure you check each and every link and make necessary correction. Vel Concepts, so that it won't redirect the users to the main builders of this thing, which is evas.live, right? So Vel Concepts, yes. So this is it, Vel Concepts. So our engineers now, yes, our engineers, this is it. That means workers in this. So this is an electrical engineer, civil engineer. So I'll also show you where you can change the pictures and everything about it, because you can't change the pictures from here, right? So this is it, our engineers, watermarks, icon, position, tab, nothing. So Lorem Ipsum, I think ChatGPT provides us with some text about our engineers. Yes, this is it, our team, right? So let's say behind every successful project is a team of dedicated professionals. Our diverse team brings you, yes, I love this text, from skilled craftsmanship. So we are going to be pasting this text here, right? So this is it, right? So as you can see, yes, this is it, right? The text is here. So now that is all. Okay, clients review. Also here you can change a text. You can change the text here. This is it. Also this, you can change the text here. So John Doe. Okay, so you see, you click on it, style 1. Let's see this container. This is a container, right? This client review is a container. Let's see if there are other styles. Style 2. Okay, let's see this style 2. How is it? Okay, style 3. Okay, it's almost the same thing, all of it, right? So we have different. These are clients. What clients say? What's the society? What clients say about this company? Client that have bought the services of this company and have enjoyed and are satisfied with services of this company. So they leave a review. So this is a place where you write those reviews. So this is John Doe for this. So let me write Abdul Yaqub. The name of this client is this. So company name, that is his company. Yes, the construction that you take as his company. Let me say Evas Real Estate, or let me see, Evers Estate. So this is it, right? So picture, do you want to change this picture? Yes. Let me see the size of, okay, the size of this picture is 100 by 100, right? So you see, you can change the size of this picture also. So remember, your client that hires you to design this website will give you the pictures of these client's review. So is where you upload the picture and make sure the size is the same thing. So this is, I think this should be okay. Image Carousel, yes, Image Carousel. Okay, I don't know what this image is for, but normally some of these images are for sponsors or some companies that you have what logos, right? So latest news, you see, this is their blog. So I think we are almost done with this page. Okay, yes, so our company. So now, okay, so I think we are done editing this page. So some I skip it, and some I decide to show you where you can find them. So newsletter, okay, I think we should leave it. Okay, it's not link. So this is it. So I think we have done justice to this page. I'll show you everything. So now let me see if you can change this here. Okay, this is a footer. Actually, we can't make changes to this footer actually. So this contact details, I will show you where you can make these changes also. Now we save changes, right? We've saved changes now. So let's refresh this page and see. Okay, let me go to the home page. Let's refresh this page and see if the changes we have made has taken effect. Yes, so now, yes, okay, yeah, you see the changes we make has taken effect. Our services are well concept, yes, yes, you see this animation I'm telling you, I am taking about. You see, doesn't it make it beautiful, please? I'm lacking. Definitely, please guys, I will advise you to get a domain. If you don't have money to buy a domain, go to infinityfeed.com, buy a domain. Yes, buy a domain, please, because when I'm building this, I'm enjoying it when I see me making these changes, and I also know that you enjoy it when you see you editing or designing any website and seeing what you are designing. Please guys, go and get a domain. If you don't want to buy a domain, go to infinityfeed.com and buy a domain. If you don't have a laptop, just go to any cafe, just buy a minute or hours or sometimes in their cafe and practice these things, guys. Yes, because I love it when I see the changes I'm making taking effect. You see, clients review, Evers Estate. Yes, you see. So there are so many other clients. This is other client. This is other client. So I show you where this. Okay. I think I'll show you where you can find these clients. Yes. Okay, clients review. Yes, this is it, right? Yeah. So this is other clients where you can make changes. Yes, you see, this is the other client. This is the third client. So if you want to add client, you just add item, right? So this is it. You make the necessary changes. As you can see, you click next, you see the other clients, you click next, right? So that is it. So I think I've made justice to this page for now. I forgot something, please. I want to animate these counters also. Yes, I want to animate this counter. It just came to my mind now. Let's animate this counter. Okay, yes. Okay, go to advanced. After going to advanced, okay, let me toggle this. Okay, motion effects. Yes. So let me animate this. Let me see, fade in down. Yes. Then this, I will say fade in up. Yes. Yes. Motion effects. Fade in up. Then this, I will give it fade in right or left, anyone. one will take left and one will take right. Let's fade in left. Okay, this, let me give it fade in right. Yes, you will see the beauty. Yes, actually animation gives beauty to any website. Yes, animation gives beauty to any website. Let me refresh it. Okay, update. Then let me refresh the front end now. So it's loading. Okay, so let me go up. Okay, so let me refresh it so that you see it very well. I'm refreshing the page. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes, so it's loading. Our preloader is working. So you see, yes, I think I love this. So this video is going to stop here. Let me not bulk you with so much long videos, right? So in our next video we will be heading toward the slider revolution, right? So see you guys in the next video.